Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your business to Google Maps so you can help customers find your location directly from their mobile device in 2026. Let's get into it. First, select your location on the map. The fastest way to add a business in 2026 is to pinpoint it directly on the live map within the app. Open the Google Maps app on your phone and navigate to the exact street or building where your business is located. Tap and hold on the screen at the specific spot where your business sits until a red pin appears. By manually placing the pin first, you are giving Google's AI a precise GPS coordinate to work with. This prevents your business from being floaty or attached to the wrong street number, which is a common issue with automated address entry. Once the pin is dropped, look at the location detail panel that pops up at the bottom. Scroll down through the options until you see the link that says Add your business to Maps for free. Tap that to start the official setup. Next, enter your business identity. Now that the location is set, you need to tell Google what your business actually is. Enter your business name exactly as it appears on your signage. Choose a business category. In the 2026 update, categories are highly specific. If you're a specialty coffee shop, don't just select cafe. The more accurate your category, the more likely you are to show up when people search for your specific services in the Explore tab. After you submit your details, Google will review the information. You'll typically receive a notification within 24 to 48 hours that your business is officially live and searchable on the map. And that's pretty much it. To add your business to Google Maps in 2026, simply tap and hold your location on the map. Scroll down to select Add your business to Maps for free, and follow the prompts to enter your details. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.